specialty coffee drinks. The menu was nearly identical to what we'd planned. And they were starting with the flagship location, next door. They must have gotten wind of our concept, someone had talked, or they'd seen our permit applications. Now they were trying to crush us before we could even open. I looked up to find my entire team watching me anxiously. They'd all taken huge risks to join this venture. Some had quick, stable jobs. They believed in my vision, and I couldn't let them down. Call everyone in, I said, standing up. Emergency meeting in 20 minutes. As my staff filed into our unfinished dining room, I took a deep breath. This wasn't over. In fact, it was just beginning. My family had underestimated me my entire life, but they'd never seen what I was truly capable of. Time to show them.